Welcome to the Somatic Bliss Breath with Serena V. Amoroso. Begin with a deep inhale through your nose for 5 seconds and a long, slow exhale through your nose for 5, 6 seconds. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Keep your eyes open and smile during this practice. Use my voice as a guide to deepen your experience of yourself, to feel more of your body in the now moment. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Find any position. You can do this sitting, standing, lying down, in bed, in the car, at work, or at the bar. You can do this practice. Deep inhale, slow exhale, eyes open, smile. This practice is helping you regulate your nervous system using pleasure so you can experience more of the here and now hyper-present awareness in your body with bliss. You're getting into your parasympathetic nervous system, aka feed and fuck. So enjoy it. Deep breath in, slow breath out. Begin by playfully wiggling your toes, feeling the sensations moving through your ankles, your calves, your knees, your thighs. Bringing your awareness to your legs, and with your awareness, releasing tension. Deep inhale, slow exhale. You can make noise with your breath. You can move with your breath. Let this feel good as you deepen your awareness into yourself in the here and now. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Eyes open, smile. Move your attention to your pelvis. Notice the sensations you feel as you bring your awareness to your ass. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Notice the sensations you feel as you bring your awareness to your pussy. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Let this energy, this tingling, this pulsing, begin to turn you on, using it to playfully open more, feeling more, becoming more. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Eyes open, smile. Moving now into your belly, sensing your organs, your ribs, your lungs. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Notice the spaciousness that's being created as you release your tension and soften into pleasure. Bringing your awareness now to your heart space, your loving heart space, and feeling your heart beat, noticing the sensations here as you release the tension through your shoulders, your arms, your elbows, your wrists, your fingers. Bringing your hands forward, eyes open, smile, and noticing your hands with awe and wonder. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Noticing how good it feels to be in your body, here and now. Deep inhale, slow exhale. With your awareness, releasing the tension in your neck, your jaw, and licking your lips here. Maybe even biting your lips here. As you soften and release the tension behind your eyes, in your eyebrows, in your forehead. Deep breath in, slow breath out. Bringing awareness to your earlobes and the tips of your hair. And notice how your entire body is beginning to buzz because of your hyper present embodied awareness. Deep breath in, slow breath out. From here, we're going to really amp it up. So bringing the pleasure in and flooding your system with oxytocin. Place your hands somewhere on your body. Deep breath in, slow breath out. If you're in public, maybe placing your hands on your arm, your heart, or your legs. And if you're in private, bringing your hands to your pussy, your clit, and your nipples. Doing what feels best today, in this now moment. Deep breath in, slow breath out. Letting this practice be different than it was yesterday, or it was an hour ago. Feeling again now into the sensations, into your body, into your breath. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Notice your hands on your body and begin moving in the most pleasurable, delicious way. This might be softly with a feather-light touch, tracing your fingers along your thigh. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Maybe it's gently scratching your arm or circling your finger on a nipple. Really breathing in how good this feels. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Continuing to feel moving this pleasure, moving with more slowness, knowing that the slower you go, the more you feel, and the more you feel, the more alive you become. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Find stillness here and simply feel your body, the pulsing, tingling sensations moving through you. Eyes open, smile. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Anytime you want to feel embodied, blissful presence and a regulated nervous system through pleasure, do this practice. Simply notice the sensations of your body, release the tension, long, slow breath, and bring in pleasure. Do it before you send a text message or an email. Do it when you're washing the dishes or folding your laundry. Do it when you're in the shower or getting out of your car. Do it when you're standing, sitting, walking with people, alone. Do this practice. Let this practice become a part of you. Deep inhale, slow exhale.